Сәлем. Бүгін мен шетелдік азаматтарға Қазақстан қалаларының суреттерін көрсетемін. Өткенде мен оларға Қазақстан жерлерінің әдемі суреттерін көрсеттім. Мысалы, Бәйтерек, Медеу, Шымбұлақ. Ал осы жол мен оларға жұпыны үйлер мен ғимараттарды көрсетемін. Енді көреміз, олар осы сурет қай елде алынған екендігін табуға тырысады. Так что кеттік. Я покажу иностранцам несколько фотографий из Казахстана. Сразу скажу, это не очень красивые места. В одном из прошлых выпусков ребята попросили меня, типа, чувак, почему ты показываешь только красивые здания? Покажи не очень красивые здания, страшные здания, гетто, бла-бла-бла. В общем, в этот раз, да, я решил показать страшненькие казахстанские места. Например, вот это район Татарка в городе Алматы. Видите, какое здание? Ну, не очень, да, симпатичное. Домишко. Вот эта фотография, это Алматы, также проспект Сейфуллина. Это город Курчатов. Вот это высохшее Аральское море, ребята посмотрят. Блеск и нищета Астаны. Ну и, конечно же, поселок Жанатас. I'm gonna show you pictures and we'll try to guess. Yes?
Okay.
Okay. This is the first picture. Middle East, I think?
Yeah. Should we go
Actually,
on North Africa?
on Africa,
North Africa? Somewhere.
it can be.
Could be anywhere.
Yes.
Is there a big clue that we're meant to find? This could be anywhere, I don't know.
That could be anywhere. Somewhere Middle Eastern, not Middle Eastern, sorry, somewhere Eastern European.
Yeah?
You think so?
I think so.
Okay, this is Eastern Europe. This is like Poland or Russia. Oh, this is
You think it's
Yeah.
Russia?
Let's see.
Poland or Russia? Perhaps.
Yeah, somewhere Eastern European. That's definitely.
Or maybe a less known.
Or it could be just a group of people wearing those hats in a different country.
So it's winter, it's cold.
Yeah.
The buildings as well, they look quite Russian. I would say Russia is probably a safe bet. If not like
that
Belarus, Lithuania. I don't know what that is.
Estonia?
I'm gonna go Russia.
Yeah.
Could be Russia again. 29. This one is
Estonia. Yeah, so our letters.
If we're sticking with the same country, I would go Russia. So I'm not gonna end up with some kind of Facebook viral video. I think somewhere south of Russia, in the Russian area, but like south of it, on the coast. What's that city in Kazakhstan that was all new, and then they had other old buildings like this?
What did you say?
It's like Kazakhstan.
But I don't think it is.
Why do you think it's Kazakhstan?
There was a article about Kazakhstan and their new capital.
Okay,
Sorry,
done.
so bad.
that's fine. That's okay because
What to say
you
Russia?
you guessed
Did you get it right?
one of you
Oh my god.
when you said
At the start.
Kazakhstan.
It's
really?
Kazakhstan.
It was it is. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yo.
Я собираю воедино мысли, воспоминания лишь одни, мы с ней. Только жизнь моя течет, как прежде, с надеждой в сердце и бутылкой свежего.
What do you know exactly about Kazakhstan?
All I really know is that from my old geography class that they used to export a lot of cotton, and that Kazakh isn't spoken as much anymore. It's more Russian that is spoken, I think. And yeah, that's basically all I know. Not that much.
Yeah. So you know that Kazakhstan is a former part of Soviet Union.
Yes.
Yeah? Uh-huh. And do you know the capital of Kazakhstan?
No.
It's Astana.
Astana.
Astana, yes. The second coldest capital in the world in the winter time.
Oh wow.
After Ulан-Bator, Mongolian.
Yeah, Mongolia.
Not Reykjavik, not Moscow.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, Astana is the
Didn't know
second
that.
one.
That's really interesting.
Yes.
Cool.
So, do you like traveling?
I love traveling, yeah.
So, do you plan to visit Kazakhstan or?
It would be cool. I've never been to much of Eastern Europe, so I'd like to definitely go eventually to Kazakhstan and Russia maybe as well.
Russia?
You think Russia?
Serbia or Russia? I'm not sure. Between Eastern state, anyway. Poland, possibly.
So we see it's snowy, winter, outside.
Yeah, I'm thinking.
Can't be Australia, yes?
I was thinking more Norway actually, along the lines of it, but it's too dilapidated. Yet there's parts of Norway I haven't been to, so this would be Russia then, wouldn't it?
Russians.
Well, it's Chernobyl.
will be offended.
Mind here, like yeah,
I'm kidding, joking. You did well.
Okay.
To be honest,
right.
all these pictures are illustrating Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan. Right. Okay. So
yes.
just below Russia. Actually.
Yes,
right,
it's
okay,
near.
Right, yeah.
That's why you were right.
Okay.
Why?
Right,
because Kazakhstan has post-Soviet architecture
Sure.
and
Yeah,
buildings.
Yeah. That's where they have the cosmodrome. Actually, Russia launches all its space rockets from Kazakhstan.
Yes. But I want to say you that our country is beautiful, and these pictures.
Oh, is this where you're from yourself?
Sorry.
Are you from Kazakhstan?
I'm from Kazakhstan.
Right,
Yes.
yeah.
And this picture they just illustrating the poor reality of Kazakhstan.
I see.
But despite this fact, we have many beautiful buildings and really impressive architecture.
I was about to say that there's wonderful domed objects there that I should know myself, you know, kind of being.
It makes sense. That's why I showed these pictures,
Right,
because
okay, I see.
sometimes, yes, it's tricky to find or to identify the country.
Sure. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
От него нет звонка, и снова ночь без сна, а на дворе весна, а ты сидишь одна. Мне кажется, любовь давно уже ушла, и будет глупо тебе верить в чудеса. Твои красивые глаза и на щеках слеза, ты должна понять, из-за него так нельзя.
Fine. Okay, so
Yeah,
there's
I think it's
okay,
Yugoslavia.
Russia.
No.
Wow, that was like a big guess.
Bosnia. Herzegovina.
No. And the last one.
Maybe Kazakhstan.
Yes.
Wow.
Wow.